Hello everybody, this is Shen. In this short video, I'm gonna show you how we inoculate pecan leaves with scab and then stain the leaves to detect the fungus. The spores solution was prepared already, and 2 leaves were collected from each seedling. We spray the leaves with the solution and then let the bottom up overnight. The last day, flip over the leaves. Because pecan has the stomata on the bottom of the leaf, that's where the scab initiate the infection. So in this step, it help the scab spores settle down very well on the bottom of the leaf to ensure the further infection. Also, we soak the towel with water, put them under the leaves, then put the whole tree in the plastic bags to maintain a very high humidity. High humidity is very essential for the scab infection. Then we put them under the LED lights, 12-hour dark, 12-hour light, to mimic the natural environment. Light is also very important for scab infection. After 2 weeks, it's ready to stain the leaves to see how scab is growing. Here we use histoprep capsules. The size of the sample is about 1 square centimeters. I cut the angle of the leaf so that I can tell top from the bottom of the leaf in the end. Put each sample in each capsule, label them, then put capsules in a solution of half ethanol and half acetic acid, and then keep them at 70 degrees for an hour. The purpose of this step is to fix the leaf and clear chlorophyll. The ethanol penetrates the tissue very quickly and shrinks and hardens the tissue. This can prevent cellular degradation. The acetic acid lessens the shrinkage and softens the tissue. The heat helps this reaction to proceed more quickly. At the end of this step, the leaf will lose most of the chlorophyll and will be white in color. After the first step of water base, the solution looks a little bit green because the chlorophyll came out. Then we transfer the capsules in a solution of 5% potassium hydroxide and autoclave for an hour. The purpose of this step is to remove most of the cellular contents, also considerably soften the leaf to allow the stain to penetrate. At the end of this step, we are left with mostly just the cell walls, which allow us to see through the leaf and see the fungus within the leaf. After that, we are gonna wash capsules in 3% hydrogen peroxide for 5 minutes and then 1% HCl for 15 minutes. Well, in this step, the hydrogen peroxide oxidates the chlorophyll and any other residue to make the leaf sample totally white. The 1% HCl neutralizes the solution. After that, it's ready to stain. The stain solution mainly contains water, lactic acid, and glycerol, which has a 1:1:1 ratio. Also, is added with trypan blue and chlorazole black E. Water based at 70 degrees for 2 hours. In this step, the lactic acid and glycerol clear the leaf, so it's clear rather than white. This allows us to see into the interior. The trypan blue and the chlorazole black E stain the fungus blue, so this is much easier for us to see. After staining for 2 hours, it's ready to destain. Put the capsules in 50% glycerol to destain for at least half an hour. As you can see here, the extra dye came out into the solution. Otherwise, you will have too much background. You can change the solution to destain more than once. After destain well, we can make the slides. Process 1 capsule each time, otherwise you can't tell which is which. When making slides, we need to place the bottom of the leaf up so that we can see the fungus and the hyphae there. Let me give you an example here. This is the susceptible reaction. The dark spots are the conidia. The root-like structure are the hyphae. Well, this one is the resistant reaction. As you can see here, the candida germinated, but when it reaches the leaf, the cell wall becomes thick and stronger, which helps to stop the growing of the fungus. Well, this is the whole process to stain pecan leaves. And that's all I have. Thank you for watching. Bye.